Fufu is a staple food in Togo and is widely consumed across West Africa. It is a starchy dish that is made by pounding boiled cassava or yam in a large mortar and pestle until it becomes smooth and elastic. The dish is typically served with soup or sauce made from vegetables, meat, or fish. Fufu is traditionally eaten by hand, with small balls of the starchy dish dipped into the accompanying soup or sauce. To eat fufu, one typically tears off a small piece of the dough with their fingers and rolls it into a small ball. The ball is then dipped into the soup or sauce and eaten in one bite. Fufu is a filling and nutritious dish that provides a good source of carbohydrates. It is often served as a main course and is accompanied by a variety of side dishes, including vegetables, meats, and fish. The soup or sauce that accompanies fufu can vary depending on personal preference and availability, but popular options include okra soup, groundnut soup, and palm nut soup. The soup or sauce that accompanies fufu can vary depending on personal preference and availability. But popular options include okra soup, groundnut soup, and palm nut soup. In addition to its delicious taste, fufu is also an important cultural symbol in Togo and West Africa. It is often eaten at social gatherings and celebrations, such as weddings and festivals, and is a symbol of unity and community. Fufu is also an important part of traditional African cuisine and is a proud symbol of African heritage and tradition. Overall, fufu is a unique and delicious dish that is enjoyed by people across West Africa. Its starchy texture and ability to pair well with a variety of soups and sauces make it a versatile and filling meal. Whether eaten as a main course or enjoyed at a social gathering, fufu is a flavorful and important part of Togolese and African cuisine. Palm wine is a traditional beverage in Togo and other parts of West Africa that is made from the sap of palm trees. The sap is harvested by tapping the trunk of the palm tree with a knife and collecting the sap in a container attached to the tree. The sap is then fermented for several hours to several days, depending on the desired level of alcohol content. Palm wine is typically consumed fresh and has a slightly sweet, sour taste. The alcohol content of palm wine varies, but typically ranges from 2% to 6%. In some cases, the alcohol content can reach up to 10%. In addition to its unique flavor and mild alcoholic content, palm wine is also believed to have health benefits. It is said to be rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, and is believed to have medicinal properties that can help with a range of ailments, including jaundice, fever, and kidney problems. It is said to be rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids, and is believed to have medicinal properties that can help with a range of ailments, including jaundice, fever, and kidney problems. Palm wine is often consumed during social gatherings and celebrations, and is an important part of traditional African culture. It is often served in a communal bowl and is shared among friends and family members. In some parts of Togo and other West African countries, palm wine is also used as an offering to ancestors and spirits during traditional religious ceremonies. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in palm wine outside of West Africa, with some restaurants and bars in Europe and the United States serving the traditional beverage.